You're looking at the latest innovation in human-powered watercraft, the one and only Hydrobike. Designed with you in mind, the Hydrobike is simple, fun, exciting, and safe. Easier than riding a bicycle, the Hydrobike is the most efficient and enjoyable way to get around on water. It's real off-road biking that puts the whole lake, river, or shoreline at your feet. Stable enough for seniors, yet fun enough for children and grandchildren, the Hydrobike is sure to be the center of attention everywhere you go. And it's whisper quiet, so you can share the moment or simply enjoy the great outdoors. Imagine being able to tour the waterways without disturbing the natural habitat. That's one of the greatest pleasures of owning a Hydrobike. Scientifically designed, the Hydrobike is safe and it's fast. Cruising at speeds of up to 6 miles per hour, the Hydrobike can easily outrun canoes and paddle boats. And for family fun, there's no better group activity. Hydrobike's unique design offers a platform stable enough for sunbathing or swimming, or even scuba diving, so you won't be held back with a Hydrobike. In fact, Hydrobikes can negotiate channels as narrow as 5 feet, and in less than a foot of water, it even goes in reverse. Anyone interested in nature will love the unique vantage point a Hydrobike provides. The elevated position of the rider allows for perfect viewing into the water. And it's safe because it's easier to see and be seen. Hydrobikes are environmentally friendly. You'll have the pride of knowing that your Hydrobike doesn't pollute the air or the waterways. And if you love to fish, you'll love the visibility, safety, and stability you get with a Hydrobike. Whether you're bass fishing, bone fishing, or even fly fishing, you'll appreciate the commanding view you get from a Hydrobike. The record so far is a 30-pound salmon caught in Juneau, Alaska. Totally portable, you can take the Hydrobike anywhere. It assembles and disassembles in minutes without tools. The basic bike weighs a little over 100 pounds, so launching and beaching are a breeze. After a rainstorm, you don't have to bail out water like you do with paddle boats or rowboats. Managers of rental locations worldwide are delighted with the maintenance-free operation of Hydrobikes, even in the most extreme conditions. Three-time Olympian John Howard said, "Hydrobike is a pioneer in the burgeoning field of water cycling. We use Hydrobike drivetrains on our wave sprinters because they're the strongest and most reliable in the industry." In fact, the Hydrobike's durability was proven during a trouble-free 67-day, 1,100-mile endurance trip up the Mississippi River. Not 1 minute of downtime was due to mechanical problems. Simply rinsing the bike with fresh water and lubricating moving parts with non-polluting approved lubricants is all the maintenance necessary in saltwater environments. And you're protected with a full 1-year warranty. So whether you're looking for fun, fitness, or the adventure of exploring the great outdoors, you owe it to yourself to explore the benefits of owning a Hydrobike, a Hydrobike Sport, or any of the other high-quality Hydrobikes products that we have to offer. For the name of your nearest Hydrobikes representative, just call 1-800-972-8516. That's 1-800-972-8516. Or visit our website at hydrobikes.com.